It's poop!
It is poop, you're right. It's also made up of other sorts of chemicals and those sort of things. But what are we going to do with poop? What's the benefit to this? Does anybody know?
Oh, plants grow.
Yeah, you're right. It does help the plants grow. It's like food for the plants. We water our plants, we also have to feed them. Just like how we have to do it for ourselves. But there's kind of an issue with fertilizer. Some people are using too much on their plants at home. And farmers who make like big crops of corn and wheat, they're using too much of it. There's a bad thing about this. And it's infecting water through streams and rivers, and it's killing plants and animals. So we have to solve this problem somehow.
Okay, so now that you know a little bit about fertilizer, we're going to talk, I apologize first if my voice is gone, I called it again. Anyways, I want to talk to you about research I did over the summer. And this summer, I worked at Ohio State at Biological Science Curriculum. And all you need to know about that is this big classroom where I grew plants. And our goal this summer was to build 2 identical rooms just like this. They had to be the same, five tanks, same water supply, and everything. And the reason, does anybody know why you want them to be exactly the same? No? Okay. The reason you want every room to be exactly the same is because it reduces the different things that can affect how plants grow. So we are working on changing how fertilizer works. So we're going to use 2 different types of fertilizer in each plant. But let's say one plant gets more water. The one plant that has more water is going to grow taller. And then we don't know if it's because of the fertilizer or if it's because of the water. So we wanted to make 2 identical rooms so that way each plant would grow exactly the same except for our one different variable, which is our fertilizer. Okay, so one thing that we worked on over this year is we had to build a sprinkler system. In our sprinkler system, we started off really simple with just one sprinkler, and we put a bunch of cups in the bottom. We thought this will work great, and then as we did it, we found out each cup had a different amount of water, which wasn't good. So as the summer went on, we'd add more sprinklers, and we'd try and vary them, and we'd put curtains up, but eventually we got to a point where each part had the right amount of water, and that was really important. So that way we didn't have that variation that we had in water.
Okay, so we have a water source, which is going to be our sprinkler, and for you guys, we're going to have 3 plants, but your 3 plants are going to be Dixie cups down here at the bottom. And your water source is going to be a red cup filled with water. And your goal is to get the same amount of water in all 3 of the Dixie cups so we water the plants evenly. And we're going to have you guys start with our prototype design. And so what you're going to do is you're going to build the sprinkler system out of PVC pipes, what they're called, and we're going to set it up and pour your water in and see how well it works and how well it waters all 3 of the plants. And then you guys do it. Okay. So, how did it work? Was it good or was it bad?
Bad.
Bad.
It was bad.
That was not good. The cups were not even at all. What is happening? So, which of the 3 cups had the most water? Was it 1, 2, or 3?
One.
Yeah, okay. Which one had the least amount?
3.
Okay, so we have to solve this problem somehow. So let's think about the size of the holes in the pipe. They were kind of big, weren't they? So if we made the holes in the pipe bigger, do you think more water would come out or less water? More. Yeah. The cup's going to fill up faster. So if we make the holes smaller, more water or less water comes out of it? Less water. Less water's going to come out, and it's going to fill up the cup slower. So now we're going to have you guys make your own design and use what you learned on the first one and make a new kind of sprinkler system.
Okay. Now you can use all of these materials to make your own. We have a couple constraints for you. The water has to be poured evenly into all the cups, just like my project. You don't want too much in one cup. 2, you can't spill the water. Don't waste any. Try and make sure it gets all in the cup. 3, we're going to set up the Dixie cups at a certain distance, and you can't move.
Anybody have any questions? Yes.
Are the Dixie cups going to be evenly spaced?
Yes. In a line.
How do we measure how good we did?
We're going to weigh the cups at the end, and we'll see how evenly they weigh out.
So can you not use PVC pipe? You can
You
use
can use the PVC cup.
What happens if I get it perfect in 10 minutes?
Our next plan is we're going to try and put it in a triangle, two the same distance, one farther distance, and change it up a little bit.
Or just like make it just super far away or something like that. That'd probably be, first we try to like change the shape of it and then make it further away. Yeah.
To this, I'm a student, do I have to build everything that holds up the pipes? Or is that supported by something else?
We should probably make that.
Yeah. We were just holding ours when we first made it.
Okay.
So probably some sort
Does
of.
a lot have to do with how you hold it and all of that?
Probably, yeah.
Okay, let's thank them.